afternoon, evening. This is the day that the Lord has made. I am rejoicing and I am so glad in it. This is Annette with Rip the Wear by Nettie. I hope all is well. Looking forward to, well, it is Thanksgiving, and I hope everyone have a blessed Thanksgiving. I hope all your family and friends get to come by, gather, and just speak on how thankful you are. I am so grateful, thankful that the Lord has allowed me to see another Thanksgiving. All my family and friends are well, and life is good. And I am so grateful for that, because this world is so crazy, and it doesn't have to be. I mean, the grace of God, His mercy is everlasting, and He has allowed me to see another Thanksgiving. I lost one of the residents, so it's not promised. It's not a thing that has to be. It's according to God's mercy and His grace. And I am so thankful and grateful that I have been blessed to see another Thanksgiving. Well, I am on to bag number 5. So sad to say that bag number 4, after I got in almost a complete construction of it, keeping it real, it just turned out to be not the size that I wanted. So this is it. And after I finished with everything, it just, once I folded it, it was not going to be something that I was pleased with. And even I make mistakes. So I'm going to trash this one. And on to the next. So this one I am very excited about. I got this on eBay, and I just thought it was so neat. This kind of like looks like sequins, but it's kind of like I don't know, I guess like a sparkle. I don't know, there's no sequins, it doesn't come up. It's just sparkly fabric, and I thought it would look cool with some jean fabric. And so this is going to be number 5 on my 10 clutch bag journey. So again, this is number 5. I have put on the interfacing. This is going to be my lining, and I'm also going to have a zipper on this. So I put the zipper on. You should always make sure your zipper is longer than the construction of your bag. This is going to be the top of it, and I always like to center it, and that way I don't have to fight with the the zipper head when I'm sewing it onto the bag. So you try to kind of center it, and I've got my pins holding it down. And so I'm going to go to my machine,